Hey there, Ben McInerney here. I want to go through with you today the Forex cash flow quadrant. Now, I use this quadrant to tackle core fundamentals in your trading. And you need these as part of your belief system to become a profitable trader. They say money takes the path of least resistance in life, and the same is true for Forex. So as you can see on this chart here, as you're buying a currency or selling a currency, the currency will take the path of least resistance. So starting here, there is more buyers than there are sellers. So price begins to cycle up slowly. It goes along a path of least resistance. And the same is true for the accounts of less savvy FX players. Money will tend to flow into the accounts of men and women who have worked out the fundamental truths of making consistent money in Forex. So let's have a look at the quadrant itself. We'll look at the left side to start with. So the first one, we have speculation and gut feel. These particular participants in the market take trades based on speculation or gut feel, what they think the price may do next. So yes, they may be using what they feel to be a solid system or technical base, but their mindset is they think they know what is going to happen next in the market. They look at a setup, the price hits a trend line, and they say to themselves, I think the price is going to go down, or I think the price is going to go up, and they take a trade on that. Now this is a wrong mindset. I'm going to get into that when we get to the other side of the quadrant. So they try to pick what's going to happen next, and they place trades based on emotion, what they feel is going to happen. Okay, so the next one down is money and home runs. Okay, so although most of us got into this game to make more money, obviously just focusing on the money and the potential reward for seemingly little work can be a deadly trap for your account. So you have to remember just to hit singles and not home runs. We're trying to consistently extract money out of the Forex market. We're not trying to explode our account with money every time we take a trade. And you really have to be flexible in your expectations of what each trade is going to bring. So we have focus on making money and have unrealistic expectations on every trade. So now we go across to the other side of the cash flow quadrant, and these are the people that do consistently bank money. So first up, we have a positive expectancy system, and they are process orientated. So this is vastly different to the speculator. These traders have at least one positive expectancy system which they trade repeatedly to consistently extract money from the Forex market. So this system can be anything. It can be based on support and resistance. You could be using binary options, whatever way you trade. It's a positive expectancy because you have yourself gone back and you have tested it, you've done your homework, and you know that it works. So these traders are playing a numbers game, and they know that their statistical edge on the market is profitable over a longer string of trades. So these traders don't focus on the money, rather they focus on the process of the trade itself. They know that money is an unavoidable byproduct of a positive expectancy system that is traded consistently. And that brings us to the last quadrant, which is the disciplined and consistent. Okay, so this goes hand in hand with obviously having a positive expectancy system and being process orientated. So really the hardest part about Forex for most people is to grasp that there are no rules, but all of a sudden you have to make yourself abide by these somewhat restricting rules in order to be profitable, even though you can see price wildly moving about the charts and you just want to get on all the moves. But by having discipline and just trading your edge consistently is the key to getting your system to work consistently. So it really comes back to yourself and not your system. So I'm sure you've all traded positive expectancy systems, but you haven't been consistent yourself, and that system has failed, or your results don't reflect what that system or methodology is capable of. So we really need to start focusing on ourselves. We are what we do repeatedly, so trade with discipline. So basically all of the above can really be viewed like a casino and a punter that enters a casino. So the punter is going to be going in seeking quick money with little effort. He'd be playing irrationally and with no real clear system and just relying on blind luck. Whereas a casino, on the other hand, they have these games that you come in and play that have a statistical advantage and a statistical probability of making them money over the long term. If you look at blackjack, for example, blackjack only has a 4% positive expectancy for the casino. So every 100 million that people spend on blackjack, the casino make 4 million. Now that doesn't seem like a lot, but that coupled with their other games and other systems which yield higher returns all adds to the pot. I hope this has helped, guys. Obviously there's a lot more that goes into trading than just these elements, but these really are the core based beliefs that you need to instill in yourself if you do want to become profitable. Okay, you can get more resources from spotonforex.com in the resource section, and good luck with your trading.